Some things have been around for centuries, but what we use today is drastically different. Our technology has revolutionized our everyday practices. Years of experience have contributed to designing new thread arrangements to improve operations. From a stronger connection to maximum power, the thread design greatly affects how the screw performs. Besides the pattern of thread, the angle can greatly change the behavior. Our symmetrical thread has the benefits for anchoring into wood and changing load directions, while our asymmetrical thread provides maximum drive power for a fast, easier operation. In addition, a shank cutter or auxiliary motor can be added for low force. This design minimizes the screw-in and head countersinking torque, especially for long screws. This helps protect the screw-in tool. We've come a long way, and driving forward is what we do best.